Welcome to AI-generated Vidz. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the only surviving wonder of the ancient world, was constructed around 2560 BC during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom of Egypt. Commissioned by Pharaoh Khufu, this colossal structure was built as a tomb to honor his reign and ensure his passage to the afterlife. The pyramid originally stood at 146.6 meters for 181 feet, making it the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its construction, involving over 2 million limestone blocks, remains an engineering marvel. Despite erosion and theft, it still stands as a testament to ancient Egyptian ingenuity and the belief in the afterlife. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, said to have been built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife Ametis, were a lush, terraced paradise in the heart of the ancient city. Though their exact location and existence remain debated, ancient texts describe a remarkable feat of engineering and horticulture, with plants cascading from tiered terraces and an advanced irrigation system drawing water from the Euphrates River. These gardens symbolize the power and sophistication of Babylon, providing a serene escape from the arid landscape. The statue of Zeus at Olympia, crafted by the renowned sculptor Phidias around 435 BC, stood over 12 meters, 40 feet tall in the Temple of Zeus. Made of ivory and gold, the statue depicted Zeus seated on a grand throne, holding a scepter and a statue of Nike, the goddess of victory. This majestic statue was a symbol of Greek artistry and religious devotion, inspiring awe and reverence among those who visited the sanctuary of Olympia. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, completed around 550 BC, was one of the largest and most magnificent temples of the ancient world. Dedicated to the goddess Artemis, the temple was adorned with sculptures and reliefs, symbolizing the wealth and artistic achievement of Ephesus. Despite being destroyed and rebuilt multiple times, it remained a major pilgrimage site and a symbol of divine protection and prosperity. The mausoleum at Halkaras, built around 350 BC for Mausolus, the ruler of Caria, and his wife Artemisia, was an elaborate tomb that combined Greek, Egyptian, and Lycian architectural styles. Standing approximately 45 meters, 148 feet high, the mausoleum was adorned with sculptural reliefs and statues. Its grandeur and beauty made it one of the most celebrated tombs of antiquity, inspiring the term mausoleum for grand tombs. The Colossus of Rhodes, a massive bronze statue of the sun god Helios, was erected around 80 BC to celebrate the island's victory over Cyprus. Standing approximately 33 meters, 108 feet high, it was one of the tallest statues of the ancient world. Though it stood for only 54 years before being toppled by an earthquake, its grandeur and symbolism as a protector of Rhodes left a lasting legacy. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, also known as the Pharos of Alexandria, was built around 80 BC on the island of Pharos to guide sailors safely into the busy harbor of Alexandria. Standing approximately 100 meters, 330 feet tall, it was one of the tallest man-made structures of the ancient world. The lighthouse featured a massive mirror that reflected sunlight during the day and a fire that burned at night. It served as a prototype for all subsequent lighthouses and a symbol of the city's maritime prowess.